salida a tiempo, necesitamos por favor tomen sus asientos lo más pronto posible. Asegure su cinturón esté debidamente abrochado, respaldo de su asiento, posición vertical, elemento de servicio cerrada. Todo aparato electrónico, incluyendo computadoras, deberán estar apagados y guardados en el...
Seems like as I travel more, my world view gets bigger. It's like being around an international crowd with people makes you realize how much together we are versus separated in the world. The world just doesn't seem as big when we travel. Day 2 in Punta Cana. Been out here on the beach 4 hours. I'm probably going to be burned in the morning. I fell asleep, which I know that's not recommended, but it's just the sound of the waves, everything calmed me. And I mean, I didn't sleep for 4 hours, but I was out here. This is the Atlantic side of the beach. You can tell by the choppy water. The Caribbean side has smoother water. We need to make my way over to the Caribbean side. It's not that cold. Not as warm as Maldives. I mean, as Maldives, but not cold. I wonder how deep. Oh, that's cold. That's cold. It's currently 5:58, 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm trying to get a time lapse and a shot of the sunrise. I may be out here for maybe about an hour. Sometimes you have to wake up early to get the good shots. Had a little bout of rain earlier, but it passed. About to go get some sun because tomorrow I'm going on a catamaran. To the top. This time went snorkeling without the fins. It was harder this time. Saw some cool it. Now they're just partying on the boat. Made it here to the beach. The catamaran is out there. Walked up, well not walked up, but got that in. Put this on. The sand is hot. It's hot. Couldn't wait to put my feet back in the water. Like, I don't know how hot it is, but it's hot. What's going on here? Balcony. It's a big balcony. Jacuzzi. Might have to take advantage of that. On this side, same balcony. You got the pool over there. It's a long pool. It goes the length of the resort. And over there is the ocean. This has been a lovely trip. Punta Cana. It's fun. The snorkeling, the sit by the pool on the beach. It was fun. Walk along the beach and one more time by the pool.